we've asked you to rate our subscription portal, and the results weren't great. More than 70% rated us with less than a 6 on a scale of 0 to 10, and 0 was very painful. More than 7% actually thought it was very painful to deal with our subscription portal.
Yeah, we're laughing about it, but actually it's very
tragic.
Very tragic. It was so bad that even when we asked people to rate how easy it is to change a product in their subscription, it was a 4.4 out of 10.
Yeah.
And adding a discount code was even worse. I think it was like a 4.2 out of 10. So yeah, it was whatever.
Lots to improve.
Yes.
But we have good news. We made a new version. It's the first version.
Yeah, the first version is live in the US right now. So hopefully we'll gather a lot of great feedback from our US customers. And if all goes well, we can probably go live within the next week or two and roll it out for everyone.
So if you're in the US and you have a new subscription portal, do let us know what you think about it. And let's have an overview of the subscription portal and what we did to improve.
Yep, let's jump right into it.
Hello guys, this is Otto from Jimmy Joy, and in this video I will quickly walk you through the new and improved Jimmy Joy customer portal, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking us or begging us even to improve the subscription management system. So yeah, we basically rebuilt the entire portal from the ground up, and yeah, just really happy to finally present this to you. It is live now, so if you go into your subscription page, you will see this new overview. If you encounter any bugs or you have any feedback for us, please do let me know through the feedback form in the email. It is greatly appreciated because that means we can improve our products and services further. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Let me quickly move my face to the bottom right. There we go. All right, so this is the main overview page, and this is essentially where all the magic happens, so to say. You manage everything from here. So I don't think this orange button needs any introduction, but what we have added is a reschedule and a skip button. So rescheduling essentially delaying the entire order for 1 or 2 weeks or even a specific date up to 90 days in the future. And skipping it is skipping the entire order to the next interval. So no more, skipping each and individual product. But yeah, everything's done on subscription level, basically on interval level. Then we have the individual products in my subscription, which is Plenty Drink, Plenty Bar, Plenty Shake, and Plenty Shake Active. But now if I want to actually manage this and I feel like having a banana Plenty Shake Active next month instead of strawberry, all I have to do is click on Plenty Shake Active. That will launch this kind of like overlay and switch strawberry for banana. I can always also change the amount and the frequency, yeah, just save and it should automatically update. There we go, Plenty Shake Active Banana. We can go back to order and we see that Plenty Shake Active Banana is now in the subscription. We have a discount button here where you can add discounts now. It's really easy. I will add my discount code just to give you an example of how it works. There we go, $20 off. Please note that I will make this discount code invalid after this one, as it is just an example, so no need to go and try it. But yeah, that's basically it. If you want to swap a product, that's completely possible as well. So let's say I want to change this Plenty Shake for a Plenty Shake Active, another one. Then all we have to do is swap and go for, let's get the strawberry again every 4 weeks, and we're gonna swap the product. So basically, I'm now switching the Plenty Shake V3 for a Plenty Shake Active Strawberry. There we go. All right, back to order. And as you can see, we now have 2 Plenty Shake Actives, 1 strawberry and 1 banana in the subscription box. You can also add new products through here, which is pretty self-explanatory. And another nice feature is that you can now see whether you have one-time add-ons or actual subscription products in the subscription. Let me see how much time I have left. About a minute. Yeah, so let's have a look at these two buttons over here. We have the upcoming orders, obviously, that you can edit and skip straight from here. This is essentially all the upcoming intervals 3 months into the future. Obviously, on a frequency or a interval of 4 weeks gives me these dates currently. And the same goes for the previous orders. This is your order history, and you can dive into the details here as well. And yeah, I think that's all there is to it. I really hope this makes managing the Jimmy Joy subscription a whole lot easier. Again, if you have any feedback or bugs, please do let me know by using the feedback form. I will read everything. But yeah, for now, I think this is it. You can edit the address and the payment method from here as well, which basically gives you the same overlay as the individual products. All right, I think that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy subscribing, and see you next time.